Our observation for beetles inside petri dish like in a zoo. Sorry for keeping them in a captivity, but this is a case of very brief entomological experiment to show their behavior, crawling activity, and maybe predatory activity, because some insects predaceous were predators, some phytophagous insects, so some can eat or damage another one. So that's why you should be careful to keep insects together in one cage. And who is here whom you can see today? Okay, I improved my light and today we can show them brighter than before. Definitely it looks like better. And I'm very pleased to show you these insects and to identify them at least to a family level, some to a genus level, or some to even to a species level. Nevertheless, okay, here in the center, who are these very big black beetles and these reddish beetles? Do you know them? Write in comments if you know their common names. Some of my friends and followers said that some common names were not correct because in different areas and regions people recognize people with different names. Definitely. Especially the red and black beetle, which is very special and has a very interesting name. Soldier beetle. Soldier beetle, British name. Or leatherwing beetle, because these beetles they have a very soft elytra, very soft cover of their wings. So that's why they are belonging to the family Cantharidae. So and have two names, soldier beetles. We have here two beetles in the center, and another one, liver. This one, liverwing beetle. Okay, recognized family in Latin Cantharidae. And who are here? The big one, this one, the same family, to big one, and here to another one. They're totally different because these beetles will have a very unpleasant name. Carrion beetle, or burrowing beetles, because their larvae eating something which is a little bit destroyed, so like dead bodies of animals. So we're developing somewhere on decay, and so we're cleaning area everywhere around of our habitats. And the family is Silphidae, two beetles on the top. Silphidae family. This one and this one. This one and this one. Silphidae. But these two beetles, they belonging to a different family. These two beetles. And these are lesser stag beetle. This one and this one. With short mandibles on head. Short mandibles on head. As we recognized, larvae predaceous and eating for this Silphidae. But these larvae of stag beetles, lesser stag beetles, were phytophagous, or to be precise, were eating old and rotating wood. Somewhere, if you have seen somewhere cut trees or dead trees, so we will eat these dead trees somewhere around, sometimes in evening time, just before sunset. We are walking on steps. Easy to find them on asphalt, on roads, because they start to move. This one. Lucanidae family. This and genus Dorcus. Lesser stag beetle. Genus Dorcus. And this is Silphidae and this is Cantharidae. Okay. This one is Lucanidae, lesser stag beetle, and this Silphidae. And who is here in such a large number? Like this one, like a small balls, rounded beetles? Yeah, this is very interesting. These are invasive species. And this is species Megad Bruchus. You know so very well just Phaseolus beetle, Acanthacellidae subtectus, which some Bruchidae can eat your beans in the kitchen. But these funny beetles, also subfamily Bruchinae, belonging to family Curculionidae, and the big one, genus Megabruchideus, species Megabruchideus dorsalis. They are developing in pods of Glydicia, honey locust tree with very huge, enormously big pods, and this is very special tree with big pods in autumn time. Now this plant is just starting to blossom, even no flowers around. Okay, but this beetle is much bigger than bean beetle in your kitchen. 3 times bigger or 4 times bigger. That's why the genus name Megabruchideus. Megabruchideus, bean beetle. Mega bean beetle, we can say. Okay, who is else? Okay, here on the top you can recognize this funny beetle. This one. And who is this? This beetle belonging to family Curculionidae. This one. Weevil. 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 Family Curculionidae. You can find them very easy on some shrubs in the morning time. Because in morning time these beetles crawling around leaves and they're cutting just edges of leaves. So they're phytophagous as well. Okay, this seed-eating beetle, also phytophagous, and this one. Body weevils, family Curculionidae, also phytophagous. This one. If you touch them, they drop down because of this special behavior of thanatosis. They fall down on the ground very easily to escape and not to be caught. And here's the line of Megabruchideus coming to the light because light I have nearby the light. And I have another family here. Oh yes, this is in the center. Ladybug, definitely. This one, Ladybug. And the family Coccinellidae. And to be careful here, some white drops. Oh, here you can see small another species of ladybug. Different species with yellow color, yellow and black color. And this ladybug laid here these small drops. This is not a pool. These were eggs of this ladybug. Oh, this one. This still alive. Some already destroyed. Because in captivity many beetles, many insects, they may lay eggs inside the cage. So this ladybug also laid eggs just on the upper side of a petri dish. So here 2 species of ladybugs, family Coccinellidae. This one and this one. One small one big one. Small one, big one. Yes. So they are not phytophagous, or yes, here these eggs. Easy to see. These are small eggs of ladybugs. Ladybugs are predators, and usually they prey, sucking aphids on different plants. So they enjoy very much to eat tiny and very soft aphids. So that's why some species can be considered as predators and beneficial, but some species can eat also some plants and can be invasive. Be careful about them. Though these are interesting insects, many of them we need some plants. They're phytophagous, that's why in petri dish I keep different plants and flowers. So, and also if you keep them in a petri dish, you need to give them a little bit, some drops of water feeding because they will be thirsty, need some water. And also we can eat some flowers, or we can eat leaves as their food. Especially these mega Bruchids like very much some small plants. And also if you put here some drops of water, they immediately will sip water. And even some small droplets of honey. Beetles also enjoy very much honey. So that's why if you want to keep for a short time insects like in a zoo, in a captivity to watch their behavior, how they are crawling, you need to give them a little bit food. Because if they will be very hungry, they can kill each other. Because some will be hungry and predaceous will attack another species. Here still nobody do not attack another species, but Cantharidae predaceous, Silphidae predaceous, so that's why we can attack some small species, I guess so. Like Weevils. Weevils are helpless totally. And here you can see also some small mites. This one. Mites crawling here because they were kept on the body of Silphidae and Lucanidae beetles. This is a small mite crawling around. This mite is not dangerous for humans, but I collect them to alcohol for further study. So this is a short review for insects in our cage for today. If you know some of these beetles, write in comments. Have you seen them around? Have you seen them on some pods? This is very interesting to study them and study their parasitoids. Have you seen them on flowers? Have you seen them on asphalt, on roads? Did you recognize these beetles? Are you familiar about them, or they're totally unknown for you? And we will continue our stories about these beetles because they're not dangerous, they're not stinging, they're not biting, very easy to show them in captivity, their crawling behavior, and I will be very pleased to talk about them tomorrow or whatever I will have a time to talk with you. And you have opportunity to write comments under this video. Please write your comments. What country did you come from? Where are you watching this video? Are you familiar about these beetles? Do you have collection of insects? Do you like insects? Write in comments if you like insects and enjoy them, or even maybe spiders. Some people like very much spiders and do not afraid about them at all. So don't be afraid about spiders, about insects, and we will continue our movies and our meeting tomorrow and show you some insects on a big scale. I will make next video with big magnification like this one. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, press like, write comments, and visit my Patreon page. Thank you very much indeed. Good luck, see you on my channel. I show them on a larger magnification just for fun. Don't know what is Patreon? Watch the link under the description of this video so you can visit Patreon page to support our channel. Thank you very much. So they're very funny, isn't it? Aren't they? I guess so, very funny. When I collect more beetles, different one. I will show you new one. But this is kindergarten of beetles, also very funny, because here like a big mother, big brother, sister, and tiny kids. But all of them were different. Different species for sure. Thank you for watching. Press like and see you soon on my channel.